Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to talk about what are adjectives. Our content objective is I can identify an adjective in a sentence and the noun that it is describing. Our language objective is I can describe a picture using an adjective. What are adjectives? They are words that describe nouns. They usually come before the noun, and they tell which one, what kind, or how many. So why do we use adjectives? We use them because they add detail, they let us be more specific, and they let us visualize and create a picture of what is being talked about. So adjectives we know describe nouns. Now let's think, what have we talked about and know about nouns? We know nouns can be people, places, things, animals, or objects. We've talked about common nouns and proper nouns. Common nouns are these examples. This is a nurse, this is a man. Now, proper nouns let us be more specific. This isn't just a nurse, it's Nurse Kelly. This isn't just a man, his name is Billy. So when we have adjectives, we know that they describe nouns. They tell us which one, what kind, or how many. So let's take this picture of our friend Nurse Kelly. The sentence says, Nurse Kelly is wearing a stethoscope. But now I even made this sentence more specific. I only added one word. Now it says, Nurse Kelly is wearing a blue stethoscope. She has it around her neck. The word blue is our adjective, and it's describing the stethoscope. So blue is the adjective and stethoscope is the noun that it's describing. It makes the sentence more specific and tells us what kind of stethoscope. She's wearing a blue one. Let's look at another example. Here are a picture of two palm trees. The sentence says, I want to climb the tree. I want to climb the short tree. The second sentence, having short tree, makes us visualize which tree is being talked about. We know which one. Short is the adjective. It's describing the noun tree. It tells us which one. Let's try one more. Look at the picture. This sentence says, the girl is eating blueberries. This sentence says, the girl is eating many blueberries. What do you think the adjective in the sentence is? Many is the adjective in the sentence. It's describing the noun blueberries. She's not just eating one blueberry, she's eating many blueberries. It tells us how many. So let's review. What are adjectives? They're words that describe nouns. They usually come before the noun, and they tell us which one, what kind, or how many. Now, why do we use adjectives again? Because they let us add detail, we're more specific, and they help visualize and create a picture in our heads.